In the heart of Kuala Lumpur, rises a tower that touches the clouds. This is Menara Kuala Lumpur, the KL Tower. Standing tall at 421 meters, it's not just an architectural marvel, but a symbol of Malaysia's soaring spirit. As we approach from below, the tower's intricate base architecture and cultural motifs blend tradition with technology. And as we look up, the crown of the city pierces the sky. From the top, Kuala Lumpur unfolds like a living map. The majestic Petronas Twin Towers, vibrant cityscapes, lush green parks, and distant mountains come into view, all in one breathtaking panorama. This isn't just a tourist spot. It's a place where dreams rise, where city meets sky. And in just a few minutes, you'll feel like you've flown, without ever leaving the ground. This is the KL Tower experience, majestic, memorable, and truly Malaysian. As the city lights begin to shimmer and the sky deepens into twilight, we leave behind the heights, but carry with us the wonder. KL Tower doesn't just show you a view. It reminds you how small we are, and how big the world can feel. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay inspired. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the sky.